guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, the whole video is genuinely very important. If you are a German learner, then why at least once you should visit Germany as a German trainer. I think so. This is a very important topic and I don't think so very much people talk about it. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan, make sure to connect with us in case you are looking forward to learn German, because German Gyan is a one-stop solution to make you expert of German language. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush-up classes and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's start the video, because I'm very excited to give you the exact reasons as a trainer you should visit to Germany at least once. Let's start.
Full language immersion. The best way to learn a language is to live it. Surrounding yourself with German speakers forces you to practice daily and think in German. For example, if you are surrounded by German speakers, then even buying groceries or taking public transport becomes a language lesson. Improve pronunciation and accent. Listening to native speakers help refine your speech. You will hear different accents, correct intonations, and natural ways to say a thing. Example, the sh sound in ish and bach is tricky, but you will master it by hearing it often. Experience real German world. Textbook can't teach you casual and everyday phrases. You will learn how German actually speak, including slangs and informal expressions. For example, instead of wie geht es Ihnen, you might hear na, alles gut in everyday life. Break the fear of speaking. Daily interactions will boost your confidence. You will no longer hesitate before speaking because using German will become second nature. For example, ordering food, booking tickets, or asking for directions will feel effortless. So, to break this fear of speaking, just try to speak as much as you can. Understand cultural nuances. Languages and culture go hand in hand. Learning German in Germany helps you understand traditions, humor, and gestures. For example, knowing when to use du versus sie in real situation is crucial. Learn dialects and regional differences. German sounds different across regions. Hearing different dialects make you a more adaptable listener and speaker. For example, Kartoffel in standard German is Erdapfel in Austria and Bavaria. Train your listening skills. Spoken German is much faster than what you learn in class. Exposure to real-life conversation helps you understand different speaking speeds and accents. For example, German often say Ich hab's instead of Ich habe es. So you will learn to catch these shortcuts if you are only in Germany. Meet native speakers and language partners. Making local friends help you learning. Practicing with locals or joining a Stammtisch, which is a language meetup, improves your fluency. For example, many Germans enjoy helping learners, and you might even find a tandem partner for free practice. And in Germany, there are also so many cafes where you can sit with different partners and try to speak German. And in that particular group, there is one mentor who corrects you. So there are so many possibilities if you are in Germany and then learning a language. Better career and study opportunities. If you plan to work or study in Germany, visiting helps. Understanding German workplaces, universities, and daily life firsthand prepares you for the future. Example, you can visit companies, explore job markets, and experience work culture in action. Make learning fun and memorable. Traveling to Germany keeps you motivated. Experiencing German culture makes learning more exciting and engaging. Example, visiting Oktoberfest or Christmas market makes learning German feel like an adventure. Like, you can just imagine how mesmerizing it would be if you are actually experiencing Oktoberfest or German Christmas market and then learning things about that. Develop independence and adaptability. Traveling and living in a new country builds confidence. Handling daily life in Germany on your own helps you grow personally and linguistically. For example, navigating the German train system or handling conversations with locals makes you more independent. Taste authentic German food and tradition. Learning German isn't just about language. Experiencing German cuisine, festivals, and history makes learning more exciting. For example, ordering currywurst or Sauerbraten in German makes the experience more authentic. So, have you ever visited Germany or is it on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments.
So guys, how was this video? I hope now as a German trainer you will at least once you will visit to Germany. In case you are looking forward for the travel, then don't worry at all because premium traveling is a one-stop solution to all your travel problems. So yes, connect with premium traveling. Details are here. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers and stay tuned because on Wednesday we are coming up with German news. Stay tuned.